this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got another one from the Hakubaku Meet the Manufacturer series. It's fascinating, wonderful, and cool. This is baby Somen. So think of like baby ramen. Okay? It's not made of babies. Okay? Alright? Yeah, don't get weird. Here's what it looks like. I mean, it's like it's cut into lengths that are great for little hands, and it's teeny tiny. See? Takes 4.5 minutes. Let's throw some in the pot. Come on, get in there, you so-and-so, you baby ramen. Whoop, yeah, I think that should do her. That should do her just fine. So, and I think the serving size on these for a baby or young child is pretty small. If your baby is 5 to 6 months old, you turn on the timer. Well, no. Okay. Well, no. There. Sorry, we had baby technical. That was just a tiny little baby technical difficulty. So please worry yourself, or don't worry yourself. Good. Oh, come on. Shut up. Okay, so you're gonna stop boiling over. I've got like a little bit of noodle on my finger. It's been a week, and it's Monday. It was a heck of a last week. So I'll tell you. Let's see. So been doing all this walking, right? And not last Thursday, but the Thursday the week before, I walked about 15 miles in a day, and it just killed my feet. So I was thinking, like, man, this is lame. So I ended up going and talking to a doctor about it, and they're like, get nicer shoes. I'm like, okay. So I go to this place called the Walking Company, and I'm thinking, like, yeah, they're gonna have nice walking shoes. I'm walking perfect. So I end up getting this like really fancy, expensive pair of shoes. And mind you, I'm used to spending $30 and going up to Canada for these like $30, $35 Canadian dollar shoes that end up being like between like what, 25 and $30 a pair, you know. But the last pair that I got, they went bad in 10 days. So I'm just like, okay. Anyways, so got them. They felt great. Stoked, and then I started walking in them, and after 6 hours of just wearing them, I lost my mind. I swear to God, it felt like somebody took a sledgehammer to the top of my right foot. Yep. And that was that. And they said, I was like, wow, these are great, when I was sitting there and I just took like a few steps in them. They're like, do you want to box them up for you? I'm like, no, I'll wear them. Okay, well, if you wear them out of the store, then you can't return them. You can only exchange them. I'm like, okay, yeah, I don't think I'd ever want to return these. It's like, don't. Well, luckily yesterday, went in there and said, yeah, I don't know, if I have to exchange these, you know, the place was full up. It was a Sunday, tons of people in there. And I was like, yeah, it's just like, I gotta get rid of these shoes. It feels like somebody hit my foot with a hammer. I've only worn them like 6 hours. And the lady looks at me and is like, well, what would you like to do? I'm like, I'd love to return them if at all possible. She's like, okay, we can do that. It's like, sweet. And then we go up to Canada, and then we get stopped at the border by a random stop. There was like no reason for us to be stopped. They just said, this is random, sorry, no worries. And so that was crazy. And then we got there, and I went to Walmart Canada. I tell you what, Walmart Canada is a wonderful place. They have like, it's so different. Especially in Richmond, BC. It's so freaking different. But I got 2 pairs of my shoes this time. And then on the way back, it was like, dude, 2 hours at the border to get through. And then what happens? We're next in line. And we're pulling forward. And the guy jumps out of his thing, puts his hand up, back up, back up, back up. Okay, cut your engine. I'm like, oh my God, are they going to detain us too? No. Then like 6 of these guys running, yelling, hands on their holsters, going like this way. I'm like, okay, well, it's not us. But it's like, dude, are we going to be in the crossfire? What's going on? Nothing happened. It like, they all got their hackles up, and then it was chill like 10 seconds later. But it was just like, oh my God. Shoes. Anyways, this is done. Yeah. We got here baby ramen or Somen. Somen. Alright, I just made the baby udon a minute ago. Now here's the Somen. You're thinking like, but wait, Ramen Raider, I watched that like 2 days ago. How's that possible? Editing. Time compression. Shoe. Okay, so let's get out Rotato. Hello, Rotato. How are you doing today? That's great to hear. And we got a bowl. Here's our bowl. Kind of like a Bob-omb. Isn't that what he was called? Bob-omb. On, isn't it Mario? Bob-omb. I don't know. I'm old. I don't know these things anymore. So let's pour some of this ramen in here. That's good. And oh, you get back in there. Get back in there. But yeah, never a dull day for my wife and I. Always something ridiculous. Went to a restaurant for her birthday. Got horrible service. Last time we went there, it was like the most amazing service ever and the most greatest food. It was like they were mad we brought our kids, I swear to God. Oh, you know, I ought to try this stuff. Yeah. Again, this is with just like a stock kind of broth. So this is kind of like a lighter gauge version of the udon. Oh yeah, I can see little kids just going, nom, 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 nom. Totally. Totes my goats. And some mung bean sprouts. A little bit of spring onion. Maybe a little more. Here, kids, eat your vegetables. And a little bit of chashu, which I put into easy little, about the same length slices. Because little kids need their chashu. And what we got there? Yeah, I think that's about. They were like, with the udon, they were like, maybe make it kind of like traditionally Korean style, the people at the company. And I was like, Well, I do have some ultra spicy hot fried chicken flavor sauce I could make. They're like, that might be a little extreme, dude. So I thought I would, you know, I thought I'd do something like this. And here's your moment of love. Well, cool. This has been fun, and I'm done for the day. It's going to be a big, busy week full of reviewing instant noodles. So, yeah, I'm excited. And actually, if you're watching this on the week that you see the post, yeah, I did this on Monday in April on the 15th. So, there's no time gap, really. So, yeah. Alright, hey, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.